Today we're going to be talking about the health benefits of mangoes. However, before we start, please give us a like on this video and tag your friends as well. And if you're watching on the replay on YouTube, please do remember to subscribe to our channel so that we can remind you every time we publish a new video every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. So over to you, Ronald.
Yes, so today we're going to talk about a very specific fruit which comes originally from the tropics, and that fruit is called the mango.
Here it is. We've got one here.
We got one right. That's a ripe one. It's a mango, M-A-N-G-O. Now, probably for the size of this mango, you pay about 75 pence or a pound. Depends where you go, right? And there are certain shops that will sell it for about as low as 60 pence, but usually you'll pay about 75 pence. But the mango is very, very beneficial for skin, right? For improving your skin. As you can see, we eat mango almost once every day, and the mango is very beneficial because it contains beta carotene, very high level. That orangey yellow color in the mango is a particular nutrient called beta carotene. Have a look at how red that is on the outside. Can you see that? So beta carotene is a very important component of the eyes, the skin, the pigment, and many people look at us, and even if it's like 15 degrees, they said, have you been in the sun? And we look like if we've got a suntan because we eat yellow fruits like mango, like pineapple, right? Now, what other benefits are there? First of all, you've got the beta carotene. Secondly, you've got lots and lots of vitamin C, especially the C complex, so which is good for the immune system and hay fever, against colds and so on. And also it's very high in potassium, so it's good for cramping in the legs or cramping in your back. The potassium is very helpful for that. You also will have things like probably selenium, molybdenum, and a lot of micro minerals which you wouldn't normally get from a normal food, right? Now the mango is once it takes about 5 years for a mango tree to produce, but after that you'll have between 50 and 60 mangoes every season. So we actually will try and grow a mango here in London. I've got an avocado tree growing at the front, and it's survived the winter last year, and it's about 7 feet tall now. So, and the leaves are popping up for spring now. Now back to the mango. One of the best recipes, especially if you've eaten meat, fish, chicken and so on, is you get one mango the size we showed you and one small pineapple, cut it into chunks, okay, in a chunk.
This is the size. That's
the size, and pineapple will be twice that. You mix it, you take the skin off, you take off the yellow flesh right to the bone, to the actual pulp, okay, and the pip itself, and then you take the pineapple, you cut it up into small chunks, and then you put sel de Gueron and extra virgin olive oil, and you can also add a bit of honey, and you stir that up. And that after you've eaten your meat, your fish, your chicken and so on, you can eat the mango and pineapple salad. It's a very, very good digestive. So we look forward to getting your feedback on that combination and see what happens.
Okay, yeah. I'm originally from Malaysia, as you know, and years ago we had a dog who was a Labrador, and we had a mango tree in Malaysia, and he used to beat us to those mangoes. So it just goes to show even the dog is smart enough to actually, like the mangoes. So he used to actually eat the mangoes under the tree itself, just in front of us.
Yeah. I've seen a cat.
Yeah.
Eat apricots.
Okay.
Fallen apricot.
Wow.
It was couldn't believe a cat normally to go for the meat, right? But he would get the apricots and he would put it in his mouth and he'd just chew it, and he would suck every bit of pulp of that. Very clever animals,
Yes.
So that's how good it is.
And also, if you get these mangoes which are less ripe and it's quite hard, you can actually do like what they call a Thai salad as well.
Yes.
You grate it, and then you grate it with like cucumber, and it tastes very nice as well.
With the skin
exactly.
On. Yeah. You can also improve a Thai the soup called tom yum soup by adding slices of green mango, which adds even more flavor to the tom yum soup.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So remember to give us a like on this video and share it with your friends. Tag your friends as well and share with us your mango recipes. I hope you enjoyed our video. Till next time, take care.
Take care.
Have a great week. Bye-bye.